My new slopes are amazing. But I want a bigger one, so my woos last longer.
Done. What colour snow would you like?
Purple. Duh. Morning.
Performance schedule, 1 page. Gives Nova 19 pages. Got to check it all. Just need to keep focused. Right. I've done some research, and this is a Barnetbeast, native to the Barnet moon, the one we bumped into when we arrived. Do you remember this brochure? The one for the Crazy Rich Challenge resort?
Yes, I remember thinking, there's no way such luxury can be possible.
That's the advertising slogan at the bottom of the page. But look, the gorgeous view of the nebula above the resort.
It is gorgeous.
I looked online, and this is what the resort looks like right now.
There's that big ugly moon.
The Barnet moon is right in front of the resort,
Blocking its pretty view.
Then I found the building plans. Crazy Rich Allens are going to bulldoze the Barnet moon.
I know you like a professional approach, so I made a pros and cons list.
When?
So, do I quit the concert? Pros.
Save the Barnet moon.
Save a grotty old moon. That's the only thing under pros? Right. Because if I don't do the concert, the cons are no singing, no dancing dolograms, no Jefferson, no crew, no massive wardrobe, and no happy Nova.
Nova, you're the absolute worst.
Get that hairy smelly off my ship.
What is ugly anyway? Who do you think you are to say? Yeah, you don't get to decide. It's all about what's inside. I see a sparkle in your eyes they couldn't match. A personality they only wish they could have. Yeah, you know you're a true work of art. Don't let the hurt get inside your heart. 'Cause the ugliest people say the ugliest things. What is ugly anyway? Who do you think you are to say? Yeah, you don't get to decide.
You don't get to decide.
It's all about what's inside. Does anybody even care what you look like, what you wear? Does anybody even know the beauty that lies deep down in your soul? What is ugly anyway? Who do you think you are to say? Yeah, you don't get to decide.
You don't get to decide.
It's all about what's inside.
It's all about what's inside.
La 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 la. No, like this. La 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 la. La. La! What's wrong with you? You did it before. What's changed? You're pretty. I made you pretty and now your voice doesn't work. I washed your pretty voice away. McLaren!
Try this for a joke. Take that. Now, offer it back to me. No thanks. Not my cup of tea. Because it's your tea.
But it's your tea.
Maybe it's too sophisticated. McLaren would get it. McLaren!
McLaren! Woo!
Where is she?
Oh. Hello? Getting a phone call from complete silence.
Would you like to hear a joke about a cup of tea that's not Captain's? They hung up.
McLaren! I messed up! Help! This was meant to be my best performance ever, but now the Barnetbeast is pretty, his singing is ugly. It's like being pretty on the outside has nothing to do with how happy or pretty you are on the inside. Oh, that was the lesson. I got it first time. It's all like my song said.
So, are you still going to do the concert?
No. I mean, how can I? The Barnet Moon might be ugly to the Crazy Rich Allens, but it's the Barnetbeast's home. To them, the Crazy Rich Allens must look like nasty, ugly Allens.
But I thought if you didn't perform, the Crazy Rich Allens would own the Jefferson.
That's why I keep calling McLaren. McLaren! That's it. Hello? Hello? Nobody there. Right, Sid, I want you to make the Barnetbeast all filthy and tangled so he's happy. Captain, organise a search for McLaren. We need to find her so she can help me get out of this concert without losing the Jefferson.
Not my cup of tea! I just got that! It's a good one, Captain! You know, sometime we'll tell you Captain's joke and we'll just laugh and laugh and laugh.
Later, it's search for McLaren time.
You don't think she would have used the super shrink ray, do you?
The what blob?
This thing!
I'm on the Barnetbeast! Come on, people, I know I have a tiny voice, but someone has to pick up my call.
Don't worry, we'll have you all muddy again in no time.
And then Sid patted the Barnetbeast. That's where McLaren is. I was basically right. Timing, it's all in the comedy. Let's go!
What's that? McLaren!
Oh, I think he likes you like that, McLaren.
The concert's in 5 minutes.
I'm not doing the concert.
Oh yeah, she learned the error of her ways while you were shrunk.
Oh, guys. But if you don't do the concert, the Crazy Rich Allens will get everything, including the Jefferson.
I don't care. We can get another spaceship. I can design more clothes, make more music. The Barnetbeasts only have one Barnet Moon.
Wow. It was a big lesson this week. I was so sure I could find a way out. Wait, what's that? I was wrong. I wasn't looking for the small print at all. It was the large print.
Sometimes you have to stand back and look at the bigger picture.
All plans void if artist is replaced. What does that mean?
It means as long as we find someone else to perform. Nova, you don't have to go on. We can keep the Jefferson.
But the show will still happen. And the space bulldozers will still... Sorry.
No. We just need to contact the press.
Breaking news, Nova Jones has quit her concert in protest and joined the campaign to save the Barnet Moon from the Crazy Rich Allens.